Not too bad for 12 quid.
No, he's getting his money's worth. That is for sure.
That's what I'm saying, he's going round the clock, he's buying it, isn't he?
Yeah, he's trying to pick fault. If you don't want it.
Oh yeah. That's just cost me £3. You know what I mean?
Ah, £2.50.
Right then, competition time. So the Touareg competition is done. We didn't quite get to the 1500 that we wanted, but we just said it was going ahead anyway. So we ended up with 1,362 correct entries from UK, Germany, America, Ireland, Sweden, Panama, Netherlands, Australia, Canada, Norway, Mongolia, Belgium, Poland, Finland, France, Croatia, Greece, India, New Zealand and Italy. So that list is actually a bit smaller than it usually is. Normally we have people all over the place. It's worked out on the last few competitions, it's just gone to the UK, which does make things an hell of a lot easier for us because people just turn up a day after and take the car and away you go. The first one that ever went to France took a bit more time. But anyway, so 1,362 entries. So minimum's 1,362. Let's click it. Ooh, 1010. Jordan Lishman, United Kingdom. Only put one entry in as well. So Danny's going to get on the phone to you, Jordan, shortly. See when you can come and get it. Thank you very much to everybody for entering, and hopefully we'll roll some stuff over into the next one and see how we get on with that. Thank you very much.
Welcome to voicemail. I'm sorry, but the person you've called is not available.
We'll try again in a bit.
Leave a message after the tone.
Right, so just had some dinner and we'll give Jordan another call, see if he answers this time.
Hello.
You alright, is that Jordan?
Yes, mate.
You alright, it's Danny calling from Darkside Developments.
How are you, pal?
Can you guess what this phone call's for?
Fucking can, mate. I watched the other geezer win it the other week and I was like, that never happens to me.
Yeah, you've won, mate.
Fucking good lad.
We might have to do a bit of beeping for your language.
Oh, sorry, pal.
Ah, you're alright, we're not live, we're not live. So yeah, you've won the Overland Touareg.
Good lad. Can I pick it up, buddy?
We'll get it all prepped for you, cleaned and stuff like that, and then probably sometime next week.
Perfect, mate. Perfect.
Yeah, you're not too far away from us anyway, are you? About 2 hours.
No, I'm only down the road now. I've got mates up by you anyway. Where are you, Barnsley?
Barnsley, yeah.
Yeah, I've got mates up in Sheffield and that, so yeah.
Yeah, lovely.
Happy days,
Well,
mate.
congratulations, mate.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I appreciate that, mate.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Not bad for 12 quid.
I know, yeah. Oh, hey, I'll bring you some beer out.
Oh, we're winning as well then. Right.
You know, when you rang me, I thought it was my mate. And then when you said Darkside, I watched one last night and it just clicked. I was like, mate! You know what I mean?
Yeah,
mate,
I did try just before dinner. I didn't know if you were going to answer again, but yeah, it's always good to listen to people's reactions when they've won. So,
I appreciate that, mate. Thank you very much.
No problem. Like I said, congratulations, and yeah, I'll follow this phone call with an email. We'll be in touch.
Nice one, pal.
All right,
I'll see you soon.
No worries. Enjoy the rest of your day, mate.
And you, mate. Take care.
All right, thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye-bye. Bye. So that's that. Jordan is a very happy chappy. So yeah, like I said to Jordan, we'll send him an email with all the details. We'll get it cleaned, make sure it's all nice for him when he comes to collect it. I'll sort out a date, and then we'll continue the rest of the video when he's here. So see you next week.
So Jordan's here now. Let's give this to him, see what he reckons. Alright.
How are you, pal?
Apparently you've got to keep language down, haven't you?
Oh, I'm terrible. It cost me £1 grand to insure it.
Has it?
Yeah, 1,030. But the tax.
Yeah, what is it, like 400?
650.
650. Oh,
it's cost me 53 quid for a week. Oh. I'm the tightest man you'll ever.
Yeah, well.
It's nice though, it is good.
Lovely. One of them, I won't go as far as saying this is an investment by any stretch, you know what I mean? You're not going to lose no money on it,
it's a toy, yeah.
But it is a toy. He spoke to you about them the awning, hasn't he?
Yeah, he said you got to change. What have I got to change? These fumes.
Yeah, it's because these ones clamp on like this.
Yeah.
Like the cheaper ones or whatever, some other ones, they'll come out and they'll stick out fast.
Yeah.
That's where you're on.
Do you know what ones I could buy?
Yeah, I can get him to send you the link to some.
If you don't mind.
Yeah, so you want to get the awning today? And
I will if you can go and see the bars.
Yeah,
That sounds.
Yeah, that's all right. It's not for doing that hard off-roading like we use
It's a
mine
green liner, isn't it?
Yeah, this isn't as good because it ain't got the low range.
My mate says it's full of electrics, don't take it swimming.
Yeah, don't you swim. Yeah.
How's it work?
How's it work? You're just under these straps here, and then it just pops up.
And everything's in there, is it? The ladder and everything was in there?
The ladder's in the boat with this, isn't it?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, where's the
The
quilt?
ladder's in the boat.
No quilt.
I think you can leave your quilt in there.
Yeah, you can in that one.
You
Look,
can
here's
leave
one.
one. You can leave Darkside branded quilt.
Yeah. We had a mate who just won golf.
All right.
Was it? VR.
Golf R.
A Golf R, yeah.
All right, nice. Yeah, nice.
The other one won an E63.
Right.
Yeah, mad, isn't it?
Apart from going
You've
about
got to
it,
be
this
in it to
competition,
win it, haven't you? That's the thing.
It's
First time
first time he's
I've
ever
ever
entered anything in his
Is it?
life. Yeah, he's
Never.
winning. Yeah, anything.
Shit,
It's
I
twice
don't do
made
anything,
ever
she
made.
does it all. I
Does
said,
she?
I watched it on TikTok, I was like, do that for me.
Yeah.
And then, yeah.
You've done it well. That's how it works.
We've got Avalanche by us, I think.
What?
The Avalanche in
All right.
my mate said to
What's
me,
that, like an
some
off-road
off-road thing, yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Thought about
It'll
taking
still
it
go
there.
up some stuff,
Yeah.
but it's a quick car. On the road, it's quick.
yeah.
You know what I mean? It
What's it like with them on?
Noise-wise,
No, like driving it like
I
that.
think it's all right.
Yeah.
Your mile per gallon's definitely going to be less with that.
Yeah, of course. No, I mean,
Definitely
it's
less with
boaty
them.
at speed.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
So we've chopped obviously back box out where
Yeah.
it does it 2 into 1.
Yeah.
And then it comes back out to us and
You've done
start
two
back
separate.
bit, Yeah, yeah. Decent thing. It does. I think.
Not too bad for 12 quid.
No. He's getting his money's worth. That is for sure.
That's what I'm saying. He's going round like he's buying it, isn't he?
Yeah. He's trying to pick fault. If you don't want it, yeah, you'll go for a blast in it. I'll have a look for them wheels.
Yeah.
And then
And if you, I would take the awning as well. If you could
I'll get him to find me them
message me
things.
Yeah.
He'll send you probably before you're back if you can find it.
Yeah, sound.
We'll be on it. Let him set his cameras up. Yeah.
Cheers.
See you in 5.
See you in a minute, pal.
If you crash it, come back.
So we've got insurance. So you're insured now?
Oh, yeah. Sweet.
Is it warm? Yeah, it's warm. It's nice.
It's throaty, isn't it?
It's going to cost you a fortune to get home.
What the brakes like?
Yeah, they're alright.
Right.
Oh, she's nice,
Oh,
Look
mate.
here.
That's just cost me £3. You know what I mean?
Nah, £2.50.
It's not in sport. She goes.
How's a fiver? Go on then.
Motors.
So what do you reckon when you're driving it then, alright?
Nice, yeah. Beautiful.
It's got plenty of power, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Enough to get you in trouble anyway. That's the main problem. Yeah? Sweet. Well, I hope you enjoy it. Send us some videos and some pictures.
I will
whatever.
do.
Keep an eye on what you're doing. Any trouble, we're not making you sign things to say go away. We're just going to sign these things to make sure it's legal.
Yeah,
and
that's
so
sound. Appreciate that.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
No, thank you for entering, and hopefully if you didn't win it this time, first time, every time.
Disclaimer: first-time entries are not guaranteed to win.